In this video, we are going to write customers data to CSV file in Python. First, I'm going to open our CSV file, customers.csv, in append mode. So we can append the data to this file, and then new line and SF. Then I'm going to get a writer by calling csv dot writer. I also need to import CSV module, so I'm just gonna add that one, import CSV, and then come back over here and call writer function of CSV by passing in our app and delimiter. That will be comma separated values, so it will comma, and then just bring some info to the console. Please enter your information for to register. And first I'm going to get a first name, and we will prompt the user for the input. And please enter first name, and then I'm going to prompt for last name. Input, please enter last name. And after this, email. Please enter email. And now we have the user's data, first name, last name, and email. Now we can save it as a row to CSV file. And now I can call writer's method, write row. And that will be to write our row. User's first name, last name, and email. Write row function. And then pass in our first name, then last name, then email. So this is a comma, email. Now we can run our program and see if it creates a CSV file for us and also the user's record. Also over here is R missing. This is a writer, and I need a space over here, information to register, and then save it. To run our program, I need to type Python 3, and then our script name, rec.py, and you can see the prompt over here. Please enter the first name, that will be Asim for me, and the last name Iqbal, and the email. This is not my real email, so just And now I can see if there is a content in that file. No, I will use a cat command to look into that file. Customers.csv. And you can see that is that row, first name, last name, and the email. This way you can write to a CSV file and you can register your users, students, and other data that you wanted in your CSV file. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.